So I went to my husband the other day and I was like, listen, I need iPhone 14 Pro Max because Pro is just not cutting it for me. He was like, just wait 2 more months. I was like, is sounding middle class your life's mission? Because what is this superstition? But auntie, no, nothing doing. I told him stop hanging out with your plebeian panbale friends and start hanging out with the sober crowd. Auntie, according to this year's budget, items like phone, cameras, television are set to become cheaper starting next financial year. And items like gold, silver, diamond, clothes are set to become more expensive in the next financial year. Oh, that means I might as well get my gold digger vibe on for the next 2 months, huh? Anyway, how do you know all of this? Auntie, I am just following Sounds of Budget at digibank.